Hello everyone, this is my very first lockpicking video and I made it thanks to Lockpicking Paul, who put up a giveaway on his channel. I haven't decided on my lockpicking name yet, but since I was gaming excessively for the past 7 years, for now I will go with my gaming alias. I started lockpicking some 8 months ago due to a lock I lost a key for, and now I changed one addiction, gaming, with another, lockspot. Since I started to meddle in picking, I've made several attempts at making a lockpick, but first 3 were a bust due to insufficient knowledge on the matter and inappropriate materials. This here is the first functional pick I made. Let me see if you can see it better. I have no idea what the type of steel this is, but it was once a part of the stethoscope which I grounded based on an outline of a pick found online. It's fairly flexible, but doesn't bend easily. The handle is made from IKEA plastic knife, and I'm well aware it looks like something Frankenstein made, but it's a functional long hook. These 2 tension wrenches are also made from IKEA, provided hex or Allen keys, but they are suboptimal for tensioning since they are crude and they tend to slip out of the keyway. This here is a pick I made from a kitchen knife, but it serves as a small to mid-size hook, I guess. And now, to cut to the point, I will pick this Titan padlock. It has 1 security pin, but it's not too hard to pick open. We're in a false set. A little counter rotation there. And that's it. Now, this pick, I know it won't win any beauty pageants, but it gets the job done. Like maker, like pick, some might say. Anyway, thanks for your time and hope to see you soon again.